Hi, this is Catherine Rump here, and I am following two chats right now. Hashtag Global Ed Chat. Yes. Yes, we hear you. My goodness. And of course, my kids are here with me, so I'm following hashtag Global Ed Chat and hashtag Laying Chat. I chose Global Ed Chat to connect with teachers all throughout the world, and Laying Chat as it is specific to world language teachers. Both of the chats right now really seem to be focused on, of course, the school closures for the coronavirus and how are teachers connecting with their students? Are they connecting? And what are they doing? A lot of people are really great. They've been sharing ideas. And right now, I'm not really tweeting anything out on Laying Chat, but I am trying to participate actively here with the Global Ed Chat. And it's been, I think, challenging for me because as of right now, our district is waiting to see if we will start any online instruction. So like this question too, what are the biggest challenges you're facing as you support your students through these uncertain times? I'm really disappointed right now because we're not supposed to have any contact with the students. So I'm just trying to wait and see what will happen, and I will participate to the best of my ability in the chat, and then I'll just sort of follow Laying Chat and see what activities people are suggesting and any successes or failures they've had in their connecting with students. So I'm gonna give a little reply here to this second question. A2. So in the future, hopefully I can participate in other teacher chats. I think they'd be really great to connect with educators within our own district, within the department, especially when we're separated like this. And of course, with students, if they're able to connect with me through Twitter, it would be a great way to hold office hours, answer their questions, and support them when they're working on things at home. So I think that in the future, I'll look forward to participating in more Twitter chats, and hopefully I can have some really great interactions with other educators and students. So thanks for listening. Bye, and have a great night.